Healthy, delicious, nutritious, and convenient are the demands of consumers for food attributes. Now, in Asia Pacific, rapid product iteration has given consumers more choice, as huge challenges are becoming more prominent between the food manufacturers as competition heats up. It's time to think about how to make your product stand out and be favored by consumers. Adding a bit of pulp fiber to delicious fruit juice, some Australian oats to healthy breakfast milk, and tropical fruits to the smooth and creamy yogurt. Wouldn't these ideas be wonderful product upgrades and added innovation for your products, gaining more texture and sensory appeal? But how to design and optimize the recipe of your product and quickly turn the lab results into commercial production? Let's visit SIG Asia Pacific Product Test Center to find solutions. Here, we have a team of experts focusing on research and application for liquid food with particulates to explore the market and consumer trends together with you. We can help you choose the right product and matching packaging concept, optimize more attractive shelf presence for your differentiated products through our unique Drinks Plus filling technologies and more environmentally friendly aseptic carton packages. We also work closely with top food ingredient suppliers to optimize and refine new concepts and formulations, with focus on the conversion from recipe to commercial production. After receiving your test requirements, our expert team will quickly respond. Following discussions with you, we will develop the best program for you, starting from mixing to sterilization, all the way to final aseptic filling. We never compromise on food safety. There are 2 sterilization options in our test center. The first one is the single stream process, meaning that pure liquid food is first mixed with particulates, and then they go through the UHT process together. Breakfast milk with oat particles is a good example of successful implementation of the single stream solution. The second one is the dual stream process, separate and independent sterilization and aseptic storage tracks for liquid food and particulates. These 2 streams are then mixed immediately before filling. This is a good solution with better performance in reducing particulate damage and maintaining uniformity. SIG Asia Pacific Product Test Center is the most advanced research, development, and test platform in the world for beverages containing particulates for the dairy and beverage industry. Like you, we also strive to understand the emerging needs of consumers and develop targeted new products to address those needs. We also have a complete state-of-the-art liquid food processing line, unique Drinks Plus filling technology, convenient and environmentally friendly aseptic carton package that will help your products succeed in the market. For your next generation product, please get in touch with your SIG contact. Bring your ideas and recipe, and let's develop it together.